I'm gonna drive on this road over here in St. Paul. It's a country road, but right now Mississippi River has flooded in St. Paul and the road behind me says closed. So I'm just gonna drive a little bit here and see how far I can drive on this road. Usually it's a very beautiful road to drive on. Seems like you're out there in the country. But the river is to my right. It's flooded. Has flooded the city. So just go slowly here. No vehicles behind me. You can see the cliffs to the right, to the left. And sure, can't go any further than here. See, road is closed. So that's a very short drive here. I'm gonna turn around and go back. So I just turned back because I can't go any further. The road is closed because the river has taken over. It's flooding here in St. Paul, Minnesota. Leave a comment, give a like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. In a second I'll show you the river has taken over the park. There's a park over here, but you can see it's flooded by the Mississippi River right there. There are a couple of people over there using their canoes to paddle around. Usually you can see that's a gazebo. People sit over there, barbecue and everything. But right now everything is covered by the water of the park. You can see that building over there. It's covered with the water. It's flooded. There's another building to the right. It's also covered with the water. It's a cold day here, but we have a few people who came to look at the river which crested earlier this week. So that's a Mississippi River flooding in St. Paul. And people having fun paddling their canoes at the place where typically that's grass. People sit there and just chill. Take it easy, peace out.